We would like to thank our generous underwriters, Shape Your Future, a program of the Tobacco Settlement Endowment Trust.
We're making burger night healthier. And joining me again in the kitchen today is Julie Bisbee, Executive Director of the Tobacco Settlement Endowment Trust, to talk about Shape Your Future.
Yeah, so Shape Your Future is a program of the Tobacco Settlement Endowment Trust dedicated to helping Oklahomans eat healthier, be healthier, and we have a lot of resources and tips. And so I'm excited about what we're going to do here today.
Yeah, so this recipe that we're preparing today is from the Shape Your Future website. It's the Healthy Burger Bowls. And what I really love about this is that we're taking the traditional burger and french fries meal with the bun and the french fries and making it healthier by focusing on the lean ground beef and fresh vegetables.
Excellent.
Yeah, so to start this, we've already prepared our lean ground beef and we already made our sweet potatoes by roasting them in the oven.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, but then we need to make our burger sauce.
Okay.
And so if you want to, I'll hand you the ingredients. If you want to mix these, we've got a half of a cup of low-fat mayonnaise.
No burger is complete without the mayonnaise.
Right, yeah, we've got to have our sauce. And then to reduce sugar, we've got no added sugar ketchup. That's 2 tablespoons.
Okay. It smells really good too. It smells like a burger.
All of it smells really good. And then 2 tablespoons of mustard. And then for our pickles, we've got 3 tablespoons of just dill pickles, but we've chopped them into small pieces. So that's going to be, make it a little bit better to mix in with the sauce.
Mm-hmm. Pickles are such a nice way, like low calorie, low fat way to add such a pop of flavor.
Yeah, and no burger is complete without the pickles.
Absolutely.
Yeah, if you want to stir that together for us.
Okay, looking good.
Yeah. Okay, and then we each have our bowl, and then we can just build our burger. So we've got our mix of our fresh vegetables, and we just pile those on there, which would be great if you have, family with kids. Everybody gets to make their own bowl.
Right. I like to start this with a little lettuce base. I think
Always, yeah, lettuce.
add your fiber, get it, kind of mix it with everything else.
Yeah. So while we make our bowls, can you tell us a little bit more about the Shape Your Future website?
Yeah, so on the Shape Your Future website, you can find tips and tricks. This recipe, of course, will be there. All of it really geared towards making it easier for Oklahomans to eat better, move more, healthy ways to incorporate vegetables. We just want to make it easy because we know families are busy, there's a lot going on, and sometimes we eat the most convenient thing, but this is super easy and kids love to assemble. So this is the Healthy Burger Bowl. It's on shapeyourfutureok.com, and you can find this and many more healthy, easy recipes that you can do on a weeknight or with your family.
Okay, yeah, and I'm so excited about trying this burger bowl. Thank you again for joining me in the kitchen today, Julie.
Thank you. Let's dig in.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.